In the United States alone, there are over 30 million small businesses. And of those, 1 million are using Shopify to run their e-commerce stores. Shopify online shopping is attractive to entrepreneurs because it offers a low barrier to entry. You can start selling online without any prior experience in web design or development. Plus, it's relatively inexpensive to get started with Shopify. In this blog post, we will discuss how to make money on Shopify. We will also provide tips for each method. Read on to take the first step towards making money on Shopify. What is Shopify and why it's so lucrative? Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows anyone to create an online store. It's simple to use, has many features, and is very scalable. You can start selling on Shopify with just a few products and then gradually add more as your business grows. There are no limits to what you can sell on Shopify, which makes it a great platform for entrepreneurs. There are two ways to make money on Shopify, passively and actively. Passive income is when you earn money without doing much work. This can be done by setting up a dropshipping store or creating an affiliate website. Active income is when you're actively working to make sales. This can be done by running ads, optimizing your website for conversions, or developing relationships with suppliers. Start your own e-commerce store. The first way to make money on Shopify is to start your own e-commerce store. This is the most common way that people make money on the platform. It involves creating a store, adding products, and then promoting your store to make sales. To start your own e-commerce store, you'll need to sign up for a Shopify account. Then, you can choose a theme for your store and start adding products. Once you have some products in your store, you can start promoting it through social media, email marketing, or paid ads. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a type of e-commerce business where you don't need to carry any inventory. Instead, when a customer orders a product from your store, you contact the supplier and they ship the product directly to the customer. This type of business is very popular because it's easy to get started and you don't need to invest much money up front. All you need is a domain name, hosting, and a Shopify theme. Then, you can add products to your store and start promoting it. To succeed with dropshipping, you need to find a niche that's not too competitive and that has a good margin. You also need to find suppliers who are reliable and can provide good customer service. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to make money on Shopify. This involves promoting products from other companies and earning a commission on each sale. To start with affiliate marketing, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates. Then, you can add links to products in your store and earn a commission on each sale that you generate. The key to your future with affiliate marketing is to promote products that are relevant to your audience and that you believe in. You also need to create compelling content that will convince people to click on your links and buy the products that you're promoting. Sell digital products. If you have a skill or knowledge that others would be willing to pay for, you can make money by selling digital products on Shopify. This could be an ebook, video course, or audio course. In order to start, you'll need to create the digital product and then add it to your store. You can then promote it through social media, email marketing, or paid ads. The secret to selling digital products is that people are actually willing to pay for. It's also important to price your product correctly and to market it effectively. Start a clothing brand or sell merch to your audience. If you have a large following on social media or YouTube, you can make money by starting a clothing brand or selling merch to your audience. This involves designing and manufacturing products with your branding on it. To begin with clothing brands, you'll need to find a manufacturer and create some designs. Then, you can add the products to your store and start promoting them to your audience. If you want to make money with this, you need to create high-quality products that people will want to wear. You also need to ensure that your branding is strong and that people can easily recognize it. Arbitrage by reselling thrift or second-hand items. Arbitrage is a type of business where you buy products at a low price and sell them at a higher price. This can be done with thrift or second-hand items. In the beginning, you'll need to find some low-priced items that you think you can sell for more. Then, you can add them to your store and start promoting them. You will make money with arbitrage if you find items that are in good condition and that people are actually looking for. You also need to make sure that you're pricing the items correctly so that you make a profit.